Short briefing from my desk, District Commissioner, for this program on 5th, that is death anniversary celebration of our legendary icon Dr. Sudhakanta Dr. Bhupen Hazarika. So we are going to celebrate it in the Boithalangsu centrally, and on that day we are expecting that more than 3,000 participants they would be assembled, and we are going to make a human scene there as for the program. And this particular program is basically based on with a theme song of our legendary icon Manuhe Manuhor Babe, and this song would be almost sung by all the participants whosoever would be there, not only students but by all the participants we are inviting on that day. And the central program is to be graced by our Honorable MLA Boithalangsu, Sri Rup Singh Tarangs, and in presence of other invited guests and invited speakers and distinguished guests from different walks of life. They will be all joining. At the same time, we are earmarking 20 such institutes from where the students will be there, along with Samsung Singh Inti College students. Apart from that, we are going to have some other participants as well locally from Boithalangsu. And this is the program, and this should be a program starting from 11 onwards, and it will be a 1 hour program initially, and later on in the evening with the Cultural Association of Boithalangsu as well as of NGO, we are going to have a different program, because since Boithalangsu is having a statue of our legendary icon Dr. Bhupen Hazarika, so where illumination of life with floral tribute we are going to offer, and followed by a musical sort of night on that day at the same time by different singers locally and from other areas. So that's the for which actually we thought that we should have a briefing to the media, and today we have all come, and thank you for that. At the same time, on 7th, basically we are having another program, that is Bonde Mataram, which is supposed to be participated by all schools during their morning assembly. They are going to sing Bonde Mataram in their respective schools. At the same time, our offices would be there just calling their all officials to attend this function, and we are going to have a program here in the conference hall as well, where all of you are supposed to be invited today at the same, and you please attend this program, and where we are going to all sing Bonde Mataram on that day, and it will be continued for almost a year together up to 26, as we have been given to know right now. Today after VC actually we have come to know. Apart from that, we are going to have Padajatra, that is Lukanayak, this Vallabhbhai Patel, Sardar Patel 150th anniversary, and that is we have scheduled on 14th of November this month, and it will be started from Soyali, and we are going to have almost around 2,000 participants along with us at the same time. Even the PRIs are also joining along with our district police. They are also going to join for this unity march on 14th we have scheduled, and Honorable Guardian Minister Nandita Galusa ma'am is participating on that particular Padajatra, that is march, as ma'am has consented that she is going to grace the occasion as chief guest. Thank you.